Hey everybody, Shaving Nobody Else's Auto. I was out on the road a while back, stopped by to see a good buddy of mine, car guy, does a lot of digging around, finds a lot of cool old stuff like I do. And he had some really neat stuff sitting around. I thought, what the heck, let's share some of this stuff with you guys too. Including this really cool 1966 GTO Convertible that he just found. This is a factory 4-speed, 389 of course, PHS on it, 242 VIN GTO Convertible. It's a project car, but for the most part, it's all here other than the motor and tranny. And hey, that's something on one of these old cars that's getting super tough to find. So let's take a look at this one. Obviously, standing here at the back of it, definitely a 66 GTO with these louvered taillights. No doubt about that when you walk in the back door and see this. And what the heck, while we're back here, let's just take a peek in the trunk. The trunk does have a little rust in it, but it is intact. And this car does come with several panels to repair a bunch of this stuff too. But it's not completely gone. I've opened the trunks on some of these old Le Manses and GTOs, and basically you're looking at the ground because there's nothing in them. So at least there's something here to work with to fix. This car was originally, it's kind of a dark green now. It was originally kind of a light yellow tannish type color. We can see some of that over here where the green has worn through on it. And it's kind of tight in here. You just picked it up, rolled it back into this building. Not a lot of room around it. We're going to check it out anyway. Obviously, the convertible top assembly and everything is all still here. It's all up. All the trims here. All those important convertible pieces are here. We'll kind of work our way on around. And all the front clip and everything is here. Down the sides of the car, typical dings and dents, but this is literally just how this car was found, tucked away in another old building before he moved it into here. We'll work our way around the front. And of course, does have the GTO hood on it still. The nose is all still in it. Like I said, just no motor or tranny in it. And over on the driver's side, just kind of more of the same. It's just a good old project. As we kind of step back and look at the driver's side of the car, we've got a little bit of damage lower on the rear quarter panel where it snagged something, but the rest of this car's dings and dents and things like that, typical for an old car like this that's been sitting around for a long time, just been stashed away, waiting for somebody to find it and give it a new life. And like I said, being a real 242 4-speed GTO convertible, not something you stumble across every day. Inside of this car, we'll kind of take a peek inside of it. And the nice thing about the inside as well is it is here. The seats are there, the door panels are there. It's got a little bit of rust in the floors, but there again, the rust in the floors is minimal. It does need fixed, but it's still there and intact. It's not like some of these cars where the entire floor plan is just completely gone and you don't even have hardly anything there to work with. Obviously, the super hard to find convertible rear seat and rear panels all still there as well. And just really going to make somebody a great project. So, like I said, this isn't my car. It's a good friend of mine's. If you're interested in this, you need to give him a call at 620-231-2277. I will put that number in the description of the video as well. And you can always call me and I can get you in touch with him also if you're looking for a GTO like this to build. Heck of a project car, ton of potential for this. Real deal 242, top goes down, pretty much checks all the boxes if you want a cool old GTO project car. So, super neat one. Always good to see my friend, especially when I always get to check out what he's been finding as well. Because you never know, when we're out looking around for stuff, he drags stuff in just like I do, and it's cool to see what he's finding also. So, thought while I was here, what the heck, let's share some of that with you guys as well, and because we all like seeing this old stuff. That's what we're here for. Hopefully that's why you're on the channel. Be sure to check out the channel Nobody Show, and click that subscribe button, and check out all the other cool old cars, trucks, and memorabilia videos that we've got on there. That's about all I know, so that's what we do. It's kind of the same way with my buddy, so it's always fun seeing what he has. So, I got a lot more cool stuff coming in, lots of stuff to pick up at the yard. Stay tuned. We got a lot more cool videos coming up. Hope you enjoyed this one and sure hope to see you soon on the next video.